So what is the B1 business visa? It's a commonly received and held visa by foreign nationals, but at the same time, it's well misunderstood by those who actually hold the visa. My name is Luis Hess, and I'm here today to talk to you about the B1 business visa. Now, this type of visa is intended for foreign nationals wanting to come to the United States to conduct some type of meetings, to meet with colleagues, to perhaps find new opportunities to expand their business. Now, there's a substantial difference between coming to the United States and trying to test the local US market to understand, can we open up operations? Can we find potential employees, potential referral partners? It's meant to see what's out there. But just because the person's here on what's called a business visa doesn't mean that they have permission to be employed here in the United States. There's a substantial difference between coming here, visiting for a handful of weeks, and then leaving versus being paid to be here for a certain period of time. Now, there's nothing in the regulations that prohibit a foreign national for being compensated for incidental expenses such as a hotel, travel expenses, food, but we certainly go off into the wrong side of the law if the person's being paid for their work that they're doing here in the United States. Now, the eligibility for getting a B1 visa is fairly clear. A clear intent to come here for legitimate business purposes, return flight to their home country, and 3, strong ties to their home country, such as their employment, family, other reasons to return. And so long as that person leaves on time and is not delayed in leaving, even by a day, typically the foreign national can maintain their visa. But if the person's late leaving, well, then we get into other issues. So from an attorney standpoint, we want to be looking at someone who is coming here just for a short period of time, because that way it's easy to maintain the visa. Now, let me give you an example of somebody who maybe wanted to use a B1 visa. Let's say you're a foreign national, the head of a foreign national company, let's say paper manufacturing. You want to expand your business here in the United States. So you want to meet with realtors who will show you places where you could perhaps incorporate their business, buy a commercial property, perhaps buy a warehouse where they can manufacture paper, things of that nature. But the executives are here for a handful of weeks throughout the year to oversee the development of the property, development of operations, but they're not here to hire employees, to manage employees, to do anything that would be considered employment. By having that foreign national leave on time, they are able to keep their visa. Now, if you want to understand more about the options and limitations as it comes to the B1 business visa, give us a call. We are Hess Law. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, and all our consultations are free. If this is something that you're interested in, please give us a call, because we look forward to helping you achieve your dreams and making certain that you stay within the law. Take care.